So Gully Bop here. Man want help. So you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna put out him number out there. So you can call him yourself and deal with him and give him the help you need. You don't have to call me. You can't already say me a scammer. So guess what? Don't call me. Call Gully Bop. Help him. The man want help. You want the list of help him want? Call him, he will tell you. Call him directly, he will tell you things that we want. Help him we want.
Did anybody help Gully Bop before? Did anybody send anything?
Well, the first person that blessed God, so it's to show the whole thing on social media, it stopped a lot of people from helping him. So him gone back to square one. If somebody go
who disrespect your Gully?
Oh, a lot of people say bad things about him.
People say bad things about him. A lot of
people say bad things about him.
When he said to me, I said, look, well, trigger me off, you know.
Shouldn't go read that, brother.
Say they carry me down aunty Donna for scam. I not do that, man. I'm going to go down aunty Donna. I never go down aunty Donna, you know.
And Donna say it herself.
We didn't go down there.
And nobody say it, and she say it herself.
I go down there, she put me on her live. I said nobody can send something to give me.
Wow,
and when I go down there, and me see I say, who me? Me give him something, but me not collect no money for him.
Wicked.
You understand? I couldn't say she wicked for that neither. Because I no owe her an obligation and she no owe me none.
Who you say wicked?
I can't force the woman to do what she don't want to start.
Brother, you see when it's good, there's no partiality in doing good. Praise God. The man is sick. You think if she got collect the money for the man to help him, Gully Bop put a cost her for money. He never know how much she collect. He never gear anything. That was so lame and stupid. What girl name? Amari she name?
We remember them people.
What Amari say, it is right.
No man, hold on. Always aunty Donna wicked. That part of me.
Because she shoulda help him like how she help everybody else. Because he is in need.
But why aunty Donna no want help him yourself?
Because the demon in her tell her not to help him. The demon in her tell her to turn against the man. To leave him along the way. When she choose who she want help. God, when the children of Israel they come in, when they disobey God, God give them manna to eat. All of them eat the same manna. He's supposed to eat from the Lord's table as well too. He's not supposed to be rejected. She rejected him with a mangy $10,000. 2 times Breeze blow the money away. Twice Breeze, you see Breeze blow the money. Breeze blow the money.
No, Pastor, don't say
that. Don't
say
that?
Don't say
Brother,
that.
listen. The truth is not nice. The truth is not nice. She should have just helped him. She should have She should have helped him and done.
Pastor,
I bring him there if he can get help. Shares. Give him the help.
Me don't know fear and pastor business. But she give me a 10 grand there. It was so sweet me.
So you appreciate the 10 grand then?
Yeah, man. A 4 bag me buy out of that, man.
What kind of bag you buy?
See them here. This is 1 out of when me buy for now.
I want aunty Donna bag that.
So you're happy for what aunty Donna do for you?
Yeah. With the 10 grand. I know lamb me never yam no KFC and me yam wings.
So you go buy KFC with it?
Wings, you go buy wings.
Okay. So you don't buy no jerk chicken too?
No.
Just KFC.
Wings.
Yeah. I hear me go say on the live, you know. I wonder if you don't know me and Gully Bop. Can't hear me. Hear me go say on the live. Faster.
Praise God.
Yes, sit down here, so. Because enough time tell me not do this, I mean not do this. Yeah, aunty Donna soup. Peas in it, I mean not yam.
Oh, you don't want to get involved with Pastor aunty Donna?
Nah, get involved. But look now, I never watch a live and hear sister. I hear Donna pussy. Hear people say, we don't have anything going down. But look now.
No draw you in it. No man, talk man.
No.
You don't want to get involved.
Nobody can draw me now because I'm sick. Them not want to draw me. but here we are going now. Certain things we don't have to talk. Because Sister Donna now go, I collect money, I give people every day so. And she live like crab. No, she have to have some money for herself.
No, look here now. You see what aunty Donna achieved? That's not debating. Because she do her own hustling. Person hustling. So when I talk about what she have, it's about what she shouldn't reject the man, brother. He's an icon, brother.
So you say aunty Donna should collect money for Gully Bop?
Fast and quick and below us and give.
Why?
I mean why? Because he's an icon and he down. And people that respect her for that.
Aunty Donna know what Gully Bop no.
She never would the rest of people anything. Don't it? No, I'm talking to you. She never would the rest of people what she do for them. He's an icon. He contribute to his country. He's the icon. So when she gonna treat him like this, it's like, come on now, favoritism. It's favoritism. Do not use me, my fat. Don't use my fat to fry Gully Bop. No. Don't use my fat to fry Gully Bop. Do not use my fat to fry. I'm gonna display his number. You guys can call him. You know him. His voice. You can call him, talk to him, and HELP him.
So here we are going. You could have been the hell and Donna the fire. Let me tell you something. I'm near the devil in the middle of this. I'm never going to boat out anything I go on. Look now, God go use me to burn the 2 hours. But look now, if it's only 2 hours now work with me, 2 hours now work with God. And you don't like me, no, I'm Satan. She worse not like me, I'm Satan. So here we are going. You don't want me as Satan. You don't help me. You don't help me. No, God makes Satan. I say God not going to help me. Because this man here, compete me from nowhere. Wait. You know I'm going to search and I'm not afraid of nobody. You see the lady will introduce him to me. Eh? When he bring him coming, if me and her and him are talking, I watch the movements. You know, not like a dog puppy, greedy, and the mom have 10 of them, him always want the biggest titty. I say every titty in the puppy then go on him back somewhere. So every time if he make a talk, the lady will make him know me, overshadow him and I want him talk. So one day the man come by himself and say, youth, you want help in the back? Me I said, John was you can't find nobody to help me. The man said to me, you're not afraid to talk. You know one lady will help you, you know. But boy, me and her did have like a quarrel one long time. I wonder if she can remember about my face. When he came, I go Auntie Donna and talking, Auntie Donna give me the $12,000.
10 man.
10,000. It's like Auntie Donna, I say, you know this boy, yeah, you know so me know this. In her heart, me I see it. And she say, Auntie Donna say, how are you again? And the man say, come here one time. Auntie Donna say, yeah. They say, you put up in name, Auntie Donna good go up on him Facebook and say, me not tell you, so me know the man. Him see him man. Me and him at war, long time and the war now over. So here you know, a Gully Bop come make the war over, right? I torn up Gully cheese. But Auntie Donna, hear my thought now. You see, if you go help Gully Bop, no make no devil stop you. Help
Praise
me.
the Lord.
Help me.
Praise the Lord.
I mean, never need the help, moon come.
Say I love Auntie Donna collect some money for you.
Let me because then say, you know, she lies money collect, you know.
And not just that. You see,
On the internet, you know. And she like give me.
you see, she not trust her with the cash, Gully Bop. At least people, at
Well
least
on.
you can, well, at least you can take the money and buy the things that you need and
No,
get.
man, after
But
me,
yeah,
you're
man.
mad.
Eh?
You're mad. Nah, man.
No man, labor. Make
Well,
sure
no, man,
if she
that's
want you,
listen, me no.
she can buy the material and fee. Better
Buy
not
material
better.
for you.
See, please.
No, man, no one should buy no material for me.
We want you to talk.
I'm not jalal and the baby cat.
We want you to talk.
No. Yeah, give me money. Give me money. You want so it spend? On a video me I spend my money myself. Me no want nobody to come buy no material for me and I keep my change.
But Auntie Donna no want your money, man.
But me not have no money for she want.
No, if she collect no money, Auntie Donna not go use your
No,
money.
she not going to use it.
Give me the Gully.
She a go check, alright.
Gully, listen me now.
Auntie Donna not go mad to go board, she a buy no mat. Suppose me want to see the board and she go bring super board.
Gully, listen man. Listen, brother. Listen. If she can't get to do anything for you, take what she can do, brother. She's like, listen, she don't want, she not going, brother, from me there around you, she not going to get no cash. Because she feels me there as a scavenger. And me tell you, say,
No,
want
man,
leave, brother.
no.
Me tell you the other day, say, want leave this thing alone. And you say, boy, you don't want me left, brother, want leave it alone.
You
Say, see if she
it
can
can get
collect
to my
something for you,
head.
she can collect
No.
something for you, and give you one 10,000 billion block, give you one 2 ton of steel, make she do that for you,
Yeah,
brother.
no, do that, man.
Make she do that, make she do that. You don't worry about no money from her, brother.
Alright, me no want no money for no now. You want to take the money and do. Buy black and cement and come drop it at Grand Spin Avenue.
Then that means make she buy material.
Yeah,
for
we
you.
no buy anything I want.
Alright, calm down. Everything.
We can't buy some follow, we can't cook with the workman. Then. If we can't afford the white one, buy some red one. They just two in and then we don't lay out and then well tough them have a pressure. Yeah. I can put them in the
And
right
you see,
Hold on, the Gully Bop. Somebody saying you're on drugs. Is that true? You need to answer that part because they said that's why they don't want to give no money.
Alright, me and
Answer
drugs.
the part there.
Eh? Alright, look now. Oh, you know me on drugs. Where your mama depend? No man, just listen me no man.
Gully Bop.
Where your mama depend?
I'm telling you, comment.
Yeah, you will lock off that, you know.
But you're not hearing me.
Your mother depend drugs.
But you can't do that. I'm telling you, don't really comment.
Sick man can't smoke.
The man sick. The man sick. The man sick.
People just asking questions.
No, you can't ask me no question. You ask your mama. No, I'm sick. I can't smoke nothing. Not even cigarette. I'm not sit down back.
You not smoke.
I'm with this here. Yeah, come talk about after people that look life and I look LP and talk about coke. Eh?
I remember this.
Yeah, I look now. You see it? You see it? You're not talking about your mother, you're not talking about your father, you're not talking about your... What your brother do?
Do not read the comments because they're there to tearing the man down. This person not going to help him. You see what them want to do? They dry him out in behave certain way.
I mean, I do it no more.
They dry him out in behave certain way. So people say, no, we look at him still. Brother, if you hear me, do not read no comments from them people here.